Sugar. We all love the taste of it, but did you know that it can be dangerous if consumed in excess? In this video, I'm going to talk about the dangers of using too much sugar in your diet and what you can do to reduce your intake. When we consume sugar, it triggers the release of dopamine in our brains, which makes us feel good. But the problem is that our bodies can quickly become addicted to this feeling, leading us to crave more and more sugar. Over time, consuming too much sugar can lead to a range of health problems, including obesity, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and even cancer. Most of the processed foods we consume today are loaded with added sugars, even those that are marketed as healthy options. These sugars can sneak up on you, leaving you consuming far more than you realize. Reducing your sugar intake can be tough, but it's important for your health. Try starting small by cutting out sugary drinks like soda and juice, and replacing them with water or unsweetened tea. Eating a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can also help reduce your sugar cravings. These foods are high in fiber, which can keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer periods of time. Finally, staying hydrated can also help reduce your sugar cravings. Sometimes our bodies mistake thirst for hunger, leading us to reach for sugary snacks when all we really need is a glass of water. So there you have it, some of the dangers of consuming too much sugar. Remember, small changes can make a big difference in your health and well-being. Thanks for watching.